Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. This week, as a little bit of an experiment, I've been running a book club with some students, and the book that we've been talking about is by Laura Bates and it's called Men Who Hate Women, and as you may be able to tell from the title, it's basically about misogyny and about violent crimes towards women, and it's about the manosphere, the part of the internet that encourages and facilitates these kinds of feelings and these kinds of anti-women sentiments and crimes. One of my students was saying this morning that she thinks that feminism is a bit of a dirty word in her country, that generally feminists are portrayed in one of two ways. Either they're portrayed as man-hating militant lesbians, or else they're portrayed as lonely, unloved spinsters. And this is despite the fact that perhaps feminism is more necessary than ever before, because women are still getting killed by men. Only 5 or 6% of all rape cases are prosecuted. There's still a gender pay gap and so on. But the fact of the matter remains that feminism gets a bad rap. If you say that something gets a bad rap, you mean that it's unfairly criticised. So, in the same way, vulnerability in men, showing your vulnerable side, gets a bad rap. It's not seen as being manly or tough. Plastic gets a bad rap. Sure, single-use plastics are a bad thing, but some plastics are very, very necessary. If you've ever been in hospital and been on a drip where the liquid that's dripped into your body is held in a plastic bag, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear about things that you think get a bad rap and why you think the criticism is unfair.